Hey wrestling fans, in this video we reveal the real ages of female wrestlers. From the icon turning 65 in 2025 to the young star who's just 23. You won't believe the age gap in the women's division, so let's begin. Deborah, born in 1960, stands strong at 65 in 2025, timeless grace. Charmel entered the world in 1970 and shines at 54 this year. Lita, born in 1975, celebrates age 50 with unmatched charisma. Gal Kim, born in 1977, remains a standout name at 48 in 2025. Mickie James, who debuted with Fire, turns 45 after arriving in 1979. Michelle McCool, born in 1980, marks her age 45 with legacy and pride. Shayna Baszler from 1980 brings the pen at 44 years old in 2025. Maria Canales, who stepped in the spotlight in 1982, now thrives at 43. Nikki Bella, born in 1983, embraces age 41 with fearless confidence. Eva Marie, outbred everything since 1984, turns 40 in 2025. Charlotte Flair, the Queen, born in 1986, reigns supreme at 39. AJ Lee, born in 1987, brings the spark at age 38. Carmella, from the same 1987 class, flaunts her charm at 37 in 2025. Dakota Kai, born in 1988, stays sharp and savage at 37. Dana Brooke celebrates age 36, having first arrived in 1988. Bayley, the ever-evolving star, born in 1989, turns 36 in 2025. Samantha Irvin, also born in 1989, hits the same age 36 with style. Cassie Catanzaro, born in 1990, celebrates age 35 with a ninja legacy. Zelina Vega, fierce since 1990, is 34 and climbing in 2025. Scarlett, mysterious and magnetic, was born in 1991 and now 34. Chelsea Green, also born in 1991, holds strong at age 34. Liv Morgan, Rosaline, since 1994, hits age 31 with fire. Steve Turner, born in 1996, light up the scene at age 28. Electra Loves, bringing heat since 1992, now stands at 33 in 2025. Kevin Isle, another 1992 powerhouse, steps in with fierce age 33. Patch, born in 1992, turns 32, is still revolutionary in spirit. Zia Brookside, born in 1998, continues her legacy at 26. Valhalla, born in 1993, is 31 in 2025, wild and unfiltered. Roseanne Paris, born in 2001, already owns the stage at youngest age, just 23. And that's the age journey of your favorite casting female superstars in 2025. From veterans to fresh talent, the race never stops evolving. See you in the next one.